Hi, I'm Eileen Strisver. I live in Hurley. I had Victoria Coyne of Victoria Gardens do this unbelievable garden behind me. I'm just totally blown away because this was just a hole of a space back here. There was just shrubs and poison ivy and vines and a big tangle and a broken down wall. I worked with Victoria and her unbelievable team of fabulous workers and Donna, the project manager, to create this behind me, which I just am so thrilled with, I can't even tell you. I didn't ask her for a plan. I didn't ask her what she was going to do. We sort of looked at it together and had an idea. Her people came in one day, cleaned out the whole site. Victoria came that evening or that late afternoon and brought plants and positioned them, and the next day her fabulous team just put them all on the ground. Then I had them do the drip system, which was incredible, and then they mulched and they created this beautiful path. The reason the path is there is because I had this lemon of a feature in the corner, which is a cement platform. So I had to think, well, how can I make lemonade out of that lemon? And we decided on a stone path, and I will eventually make that a meditation center. And so the whole thing just blows me away because I'm in a very small house. It's not a grand house. It's not a grand property, but I feel like I'm in a park. It gives me joy every second of the day. I actually, having been in the area for 3 years, I've been exploring and I found Victoria Gardens. I went in there and it was exactly what I would like my home and garden to look like. I looked up Vicky and I just felt a connection. I hired her to do the initial consult. I just knew right away she was the right person. She was going to do an amazing job. I didn't even ask to see pictures of what she's done. I didn't ask to see a plan of what she was going to do. I just went with it. She did know what plants I liked because I did go to the garden center, and she said, "Do you have shade? Do you like this? Do you like this? Do you like this?" And so I mostly said yes. Maybe there was one thing I wasn't crazy about. So that's how she knew. And it was everything plus more than I ever imagined. So I trusted my gut, and I'm very happy I did.